What's going on, Manesh? Thanks for having me on today, man. How you doing?
I'm doing good. How about yourself, Michael?
Oh man, it's amazing today. It's a little cold, but warm on the inside.
You
How
gotta
about
get
how's the weather out there in Dallas?
wherever out in Dallas is cold. You would never think so, but definitely cold today.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Well, look, man, I appreciate you having me on today. Super excited to talk about the topic. We are looking at Bitcoin here, and
Yes, cryptocurrency, the latest craze out there. Forget
it
gold,
sure
forget
is,
crude
man.
oil, forget the stock market. Let's go into crypto coins.
Yeah. So it's at back at its all-time high, and this has been big
Yep.
news here lately. And a lot of people are thinking now it's time to get in, but you actually made a call way back in October on where to get in, and that's why we're on here today. I want to discuss with you what was it that gave you a clue to that to get in and basically ride this thing all the way up.
Well, it's a timing element. Most people look at price for indicators and stuff like that. For us, the most critical thing is not just look at price, but also timing. Timing is critical. Reason why is if you get in at the right time, you're going to have less drawdown, less risk, and you have the ability for the thing to go up very fast. And that's exactly what we're looking for. If you look here at this chart, this is Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, where one bar represents 1 week of information. For us, it's very simple. You look for these black crosses. These black crosses represents timing. So here you have price touch that black cross. So now you have price and timing together. And then all you're looking for is this black cross to occur below price, which it did here. And then what you want it to do is exceed the high of the previous bar. If you have that, boom, you're ready to go. You get in, take the high of the previous bar, a couple of points, get in at an entry there. Your stop is always the low of this previous bar minus a couple of points. That's your stop, just in case if it's not going to go up and decides to go down, you have limited risk. And at that point, you get into this trade here, and every bar, all you have to do is trail from the previous bar low minus a couple of points. And you can see we entered here. This bar here never exceeded price below previous bar low. This bar never exceeded previous bar low. And it still has yet to sit there weeks later, months later, sit there, still exceed the previous bar low at all. So this is an
Hmm.
active trade right now that basically is going to 20,000 and can keep on going. We don't know. We don't care. All we're doing is we keep on going higher as long as it doesn't exceed, the price doesn't go below the previous price low.
And that's how
As
you're
simple as
trailing your
that.
stop is based on the wick plus a couple points.
The wick minus a couple of points is the stop. So
Gotcha.
in this week here, the stop was this low minus a couple of points. This week here, the stop was this low minus a couple of points. This week here, stop minus a couple of points, and so forth. So right now, current chart right now, Bitcoin's at 19,078. The stop is this bar minus a couple of points as our stop. Now, this is the basic way to manage this trade. There's many other ways too, but this is simple. You could see just a simple chart with these cross on here, timing element, and using the previous bar low minus a couple of points for your stop, and that's the most simplest way to get into this.
Yeah, it's almost too easy, Manesh.
Well, it's not easy. This cross here is a huge formula. Reason why it's multiple time frame analysis. It has Fibonacci clustering within it. Most people use Fibonacci out there. Fibonacci is the most common element, nature element out in the world, and so forth. It's also used very common in trading. Believe it or not, this here looks at Fibonacci on different time frames, and it's called Fibonacci clustering. When you have
Hmm.
Fibonacci clustering, it's a timing element. For all the time frames to have the same alignment for Fibonacci levels, that's huge. And the problem with Fibonacci is that it's very subjective. So what we've done with these crosses is removed all that subjectivity out for the user, the trader, and we pretty much allow here the charts to dictate everything for you, and we show you exactly where that timing element is, so that all you have to do is place the order, which is the previous bar high plus a couple of points, and go.
Nice, nice. Well, man, I really appreciate you taking the opportunity to run this through me. It seems pretty straightforward. And if people are interested in this, clearly they can come to your website, and this is something they can get through your website, I take it?
Yep, a website, or you could even go and email us at info@eiicapital.com, which is right there. That's the easiest way, believe it or not, to get a hold of the indicator, and then sit there and even enter our weekly trading sessions where we're giving you a market overview live every week, and we're also talking about trading opportunities, giving lessons, how to also forecast and so forth for you.
Yeah, actually, I have to admit, it's probably the best bang for your buck considering the support and coaching you get. I remember you talking about this a while back, and each week walking us through it. So if anybody had been a part of that group, they could have gotten in here and taken advantage of it, I say.
Yeah, most people are concerned about the price. Let's be direct. It's only $35 a month. $35 a
That's
month, you get the indicator, you get a WhatsApp support chat room that's 24 by 7 where all the people, the family members are talking about various instruments from crypto to currencies to stocks, and the stocks are global too, where it's not just US, it's also European opportunities, India opportunities, and so forth. And then not only on top of that, you go into 2 hours of live session every week where we go through market updates. We go through and start giving lessons and stuff like that and so forth. All for $35 a month. Most people charge $200 a month just for the trading chat room. But this is very $35, and you could even see my trades there.
clearly, because we talked about this back in October. So I guess, honestly, it's time to get in and see what the next move is going to be, huh?
Yep, definitely.
Well, Manesh, I appreciate you jumping on here with me and letting me be a part of this, and I look forward to doing some more with you because, honestly, I'm actually looking forward to the next cross that you're going to talk about and see if maybe we can catch this next movement.
Definitely. We'll do some more videos out there for more opportunities out there, and keep in touch in social media where I'm posting trades out there every day, every couple hours and so forth, from everything from crypto coins, from Bitcoin, Dash, Ethereum, to currencies, from the dollar pretty much getting weak as it has been in the last couple of weeks, to futures such as copper taking off. Silver also had a move actually this morning, believe it or not, and then also stock opportunities too.
Great. Well, thank you, Manesh, and I hope everybody does chime in and check it out, and hopefully we see some new people in the chat room.
Thanks, Michael, and hopefully everyone joins. Just email us at info@eiicapital.com and we'll get you started.
All right, boss. Take care, man.
Thanks, Michael. Bye-bye.